Howdy doody, folks. Next find. See if you can read that. Right. There we go. British troop oil. It's a cork top. The seam goes right up to the top. Found it right down in here. That might be interesting. Let's keep digging away, see what else we can pull out of here before the sun goes down on us. Alright, back with another find. I just seen a flash of yellow and I think it's a marble. It's right down in here. Yep. Yellow cat's eye. Right on. Not sure what number that makes. I'll put it in the description and of the video. Right on. On to the next. I got another find, folks. Check it out. Looks like a mason jar. It's got a blue tint to it. It says the American Porcelain lined. It's all together. Screw top. Cool. All kinds of treasures down here. Catch you later. Okay, folks. I got another first. This is a first for me. Check it out. A blue ball. And it's complete. I'm happy about that. Check that out. Awesome. That's a lot bluer than that American one I just found, though. There they are together. Cool. Got these two cobalts to go with them. Man, this place has just got all kinds of goodies just given up. Alright, on to the next. Just pulled this out. It says, I am not greedy, but I like a lot. And we got a picture of that guy there on it. Looks like it would have been a mug. Handle was broke off here. That's different. I don't think I'll be keeping it though. Kind of cool though. On to the next. Hey folks, I just uncovered this piece of stoneware. It's not broke. It looks like a funny shape. I can see the handle on it. Well, I shouldn't say it's not broke. It could be broke, but I'm going to see if I can get it out. I just thought I'd show you that before I get it out. I'm going to pause you and then I'll get you back up once I get it out and see what it is. Alright, I think I got it dug out enough I can get it out. And this will probably be my last pull of the evening. I'm going to get out here and get home and get something to eat after this. So let's see what this is. Hopefully it's a good one. Oh, what is that? What in the world is that? It's complete. Looks like it might have a couple cracks in it, but other than that, it's all there. No idea what that is. There's some sort of design right there on it. Huh. Well, I think I'll keep it anyways. That's kind of cool. Alright. I'm gonna get out of here for now. No markings on it. Catch us on the next one. Alright folks, next find, another marble. Nice blue and white one. Yep. I might get into a patch of them down here. That'd be sweet. Okay, keep digging away. Starting to rain here now. See the spots on that metal. Okay, later. Back with another roundup. Got a bunch of cobalt blues there. We got, let's start with this British Troop Oil. That's a soothing healing compound for men or beasts. And that was around 1920s probably, that one. Got the Minard's Liniment, 1920s. Made in Nova Scotia, Canada. And they became known as the King of Pain Relief. That was a rub-on liniment. This little screw top, or cork top here, the seam end's just above the shoulder there. You can see it. So that's the latter part of the 1800s there. We got the Johnson's liniment. Found 2 more of those. I think that's 5 of them I found down there now. And they were a cure-all. These are probably from the 1920s. And they claim to cure everything from sprains to diarrhea. So there you have it. This little one here got that gray hue to it. Big old bubble there. Some other imperfections in it. Probably from the 1915 to 1925. This milk white container here, I don't know. It's kind of cool. Don't know what it contained or the date on it. Probably the 30s, maybe the 20s. We got this ball mason, nice blue color. And the date on this one is from 1910 to 1923, based on the logo. Yep, nice one. This American porcelain lined jar. It's an oldie. The only date I could find online is between 1883 and 1890 is when they were produced in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It's a screw top too, so I don't know how accurate that is, but the bottom's pretty rough in there. Anyways, got this hobnail glass, broken piece there. Sometimes I bring those home. Couple colorful tops, 2 marbles. Marbles number 15 and 16, I believe. If not, I'll correct it in the video, I guess. We'll put those in the jar. There we are. And this old hot water bottle slash bed warmer. It's got a big crack around it, and the cap's missing there. So I didn't know such a thing exists, but that could be anywhere from the 1800s to, I don't know, maybe the 1940s. So I have no idea what the date is on it. This little one here, it's got a brass screw top on it. Check out the threads. Interesting little thing. Probably like a perfume or something. So anyways, that's the lowdown on all that. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy hunting. Good luck, and we'll catch you all on the next one.